Magandang araw sa inyo mga kaibigan. Itong ating almusalita sa araw na ito. Araw ng linggo, fiesta ng Corpus Christi, ng katawan at dugong banal ng Panginoon. Huwag makalimutan magsimba at tanggapin ang komunyon ngayon linggong ito. Ang ebanghelyo ay Luke 9:11-17. Sabi ng ebanghelyo, Jesus then took the 5 loaves and the 2 fish, and raising his eyes to heaven, pronounced a blessing over them. He broke them and gave them to the disciples to distribute to the crowd. He took, he broke, he blessed, he gave. Ito ay very Eucharistic words. In fact, one of the names of the Eucharist ay the breaking of the bread. And I love that word very much, breaking of the bread. There is something in the Eucharist na tinatanggap ang ating brokenness. Tinuturo na ang mga broken parts of our life ay part of the blessing, not part of the curse. Na Jesus is a broken bread for a broken people, na hindi bawal ang mga broken lumapit sa Panginoon. In fact, kapag lumapit ka sa Panginoon broken, with your own brokenness, broken heart, broken history, broken past, may kakayahan ng Panginoon na yakapin ka na mahigpit to put all the pieces together. When you go to the Eucharist broken, you come out whole. Ito ang biyaya ng banal na Eucharistia sa atin. Tinuturo na breaking is not destroying. Tinuturo na breaking is part of the process of blessing. And so, pagpunta natin sa banal na Eucharistia, tinuturuan din tayo na magdala ang ating brokenness, ang ating pains, ang ating sufferings, ang ating broken dreams, ang ating, to allow the Lord to put all that together. Pahintulutan natin ang Panginoon na bibigyan na bagong kabuluhan ang ating brokenness sa bawat banal na Eucharistia. So today when you go to Mass, don't forget to bring your brokenness at pahintulutan mo ang Panginoon to work through it. Tandaan mo, broken is not meant to destroy your life. Broken is meant to bless your life. Pahintulutan mo si Jesus na gagawa milagrong ito, that by taking you and breaking you, He can bless you and can give you away. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video ito, please pass it on. Punuin natin ang good news ang social media. Gawin natin viral araw-araw ang salita ng Diyos. God bless.